Good morning, everyone. I am Vipu Singh from class 8 Universal Public School. Today we are here for a debate session. So I am introduce my team. My team is a boy team who is supporting the city, and the next team is girls who is supporting the village. So in a city there are many better things such as education is more better than the not a more, it's a best than the village, and the healthcare system is the very best in the city. And in the city you in the city there are many doors of opportunity you get for your career future. And in the city you have many perks. It gives you many things such as employment rate and infrastructure. You also know that in a city there are very good infrastructure as compared to the village. So thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Saksham. We are favor of village. So village life is more less polluted and better than cities. In village life, there are living cost is very low and better access of food. In villages, or farmers grow fresh foods with supply in cities. There are community bond and neighborhood. All villagers know everyone very well to the compare of cities. There are less noise, less pollution and less traffic compared to the cities, and village life is more comfortable and compared to the cities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Pandey. I am the student of class 8. My point is city provide more opportunity, jobs and other facility like education and more facility like education, job, hospitalized, and then the village like few facility like some hospital, government hospital and some government shops, and not more than the city. So city is crowded, but city provide fast service, quick service and 24/7 access, and not village provide 24/7 access like city does. So city is better for education and hospital and many other things. So thanks.
Hello everyone, my topic is city. So our boys in the favor of cities. So firstly I am introduce why I choose the cities. So in the case of cities, many more facility are provided us now to compare than the village. You have also know that many schools and hospitals are available near at home around 100 meter. But in the case of village, no, I think one or two hospitals are only available in one village. So that's why the village is provide less facility than the cities. And but in every cases village are provide us more school. But in the case of cities, our students are more knowledgeable now to compare than the village cities.
Village have fresh air, food and etc. But our life need technology, opportunity and education. Thank you.
First of all peoples need to fresh air and oxygen to live, not technologies, because our health is more precious than technologies. So how can you say that the technology better for human life?
How can you say that the technology did not change the human life? Because without technology in the past years, the many lives are waste. Because if the lack of technology, then no one can good get the health care. So about at this time there are many facilities in the city. And how you say that there are no technology do not change? Because if technology not exist, then the pollution kill the human and no one can do anything. about anything, because if you have any healthcare problem, then you go at the hospital. In a hospital there are many things, such as if you have any critical things, such as your bone is cracked, then you have necessity to the x-ray, okay, and there are etc many things you are got from the technology.
I am in the favor of village. If cities are so advanced, then why are they in top in murder cases and cybercrime and kidnapping? And if cities are so advanced, then why they can't produce their own 1% of their own food? What will you say about this?
In the village there are many problems, just like robbery and murder cases. In a village there are most cases are like and city where are no any cases like more, then village are better. So how can many people come out in city for medical faculties also?
I am Nandini. I am favor in village. In village, you say that in city we have very facilities and opportunities, but you don't care of your health. So what kind of facilities? And how can you say that in village we very fresh air and less pollution and clean water, and as compared to city, very less crime in the village as compared to city? How can you say that?
As Raj Nandini say, village is more fresh than city, but when in the city more facility in hospital, and in village not very much facility in hospital. So when you are in fever and ill, so when you are in not the many beneficial for your hospital, but when in your when you in the city, you is very beneficial for your health care and other many things, and technology make anything fresh, like water through RO and many other things. So how can you say that?
Have said city's hospital is more better than village hospital. It is good, but the city's hospital cost is very high, and the villages can't afford the fee. So in village, all villagers have a facility, just like Ayushman Bharat facility, and they can treat their illness to the village hospitals.
But it's not truly correct, because in the main universities of which is run by a government, it is stable in a city such as, you also know that about the Lal Bahadur Shastri Hospital in Ramnagar and BHU. It's a top universities and for healthcare in Uttar Pradesh and such a many states. Okay, when I am go at BHU, then I see some cars who is come from the Bihar, Jharkhand, etc. Madhya Pradesh. So it's mean the main university of healthcare and anything, it is stable in a city. Such you take an example of IIT, IIM, AIMS. It all of them are stable in a city. And if you have any if you are caused by any disease, then you are not treat in a village. Such as you have any problem in a eye, then you go ophthalmology. And if you have any disease from the bone, then you go the anatomy. Then it's 100 plus amenities you found in the city. And in a village there are only some rare cases, such as fever, cough, that kind of things treat in a village. and
Village is changing much, and there is many hospitals in village, and there is many facilities are developing in village also, and agriculture and I have a point that agriculture, without food there is no life, and without village there is no supplies of food available. If a village if village stop producing food, so a city person cannot survive. Without the food there is no life on the earth, and the food is come from the village, from the farmers. Thanks. Anyone have answer?
Yeah. Firstly, things many people have said that in the case of cities, he provide more pollutant area. So no anyone want to go their city. So I am say that in the case of village, many person are do jobs. So he can't able to running our house, but he are go to the city. So he work I think 30,000 40,000 salary. So firstly he thinks you are compromised, then you live in the cities.
I agree with you, but in villages, not every people go to cities for for running their homes, because everyone in villages, most of the people in villages have their own land in which they farm and they grew crops and running their family. So how can you say that in cities people go for running their families? Most of the
a person who can travel in city, he can also know how can do agriculture in city, where many farmer who can live in city, they germ a crop, and you can give me any example of which village where better medical faculty by the city 24/7 and access.
With the community ties and a stronger connection to nature, villages provide a healthier life for people and their children. Because of it, people do not get fever and diseases, so they can't. So they have not to go to hospitals for their illness, because they don't get any disease. Most of the time they are healthier. So how can you say that sorry sir,
in some cases, and in a city there are more knowledgeable people as compared to the city, as compared to the village. And in a city there are good infrastructure, and I have example. If any place of a village, the water is conserved at one place, and in that there are some eggs laid by mosquitoes, and from these there are the cause of the dengue. It is the lack of the knowledge of the village people. So what do you do in that case?
With you, but I have a question. In cities there are no any mosquitoes.
Where the conserved water is not placed in anywhere, we can throw out in the drain. So where no any mosquito causes water in exist. So how can you say that in the city there was no any mosquito?
As compared to city, we have fresh water, fresh vegetables, and in city very pollution. So how can you say that in city in village very mosquito, but in village we have fresh water and with connection to nature, and we are very healthy and very kind people. So how can you say that in village?
In the village there are many gambler and drinker and smoker live in village. They was bad effect in environment. So how can you say that city was healthy life? And you can say that fresh water in city, there are many technology just like RO and refresh water. In the city there was also fresh water, it's a mineral water.
Vaibhav, you say there are many gamblers and drinkers in village. This is not totally true, because in cities there are also gamblers and drinkers. You know about Dr. Momita case, and so why do cities people need thousands of police force, CCTV cameras? If a village community is village is safe because village have community bonds.
You can say that the many gambler and drinker live in city. It was not totally true. Where the gambler and smoker and drinker who was going in bar where he can enjoy. Then in the city there was many drinker and gambler and smoker who can drink and smoke everywhere. In the children who can see there, he was distract his mind. It's not totally true.
Village peoples are gambler and smoker, then it is not totally true. Cities also have beer shops and clubs and other such things that attracts youngsters and other old ages peoples that is very harmful for their health and other such things. Then what will you say about this, Vaibhav?
Go in bar and club, he can wear drink, they cannot see anyone. It is wrong. So how can you say that village are not wrong?
Supporting that villages people are, I am also in favor of that. We don't have to smoke here and there, but you are supporting smoking and drinking. Why are you supporting smoking by peoples? Why are you club when people's going better?
This stage in previous, the villagers are running their home with the cultivation crops. But in do you know that in that year, this year, the flood are cracked the record for many years. So the 90% people's cultivators crops are waste. So how can villagers run this house that time?
The wastage of crop is not in the hand of farmer because it is the flood is not the crop wastage is not in the hand of farmer because the flood is not in the hand of farmers. They waste many crops, we know, but we can't stop this by ourselves. It is natural phenomena, okay? And my point is that if city is advanced, why is the crime chart stop in the cities, like kidnapping, cyber crimes, and children feel like less safe in while walking in street of the city as compared to the village. Why?
I can say earlier time in the not a best drain faculty in a village, it is causes the flood because when the river can be grow up in our higher level, then our drain faculty we can drain it into other side. Then we cannot make any drain faculty. So flood are come. It is natural. So how can you say that?
That as Vaibhav say that villagers don't have better drainage system, but we can see that when we are going to Varanasi, there are not the drainage system was overflowing on the road, and when we are going to Varanasi, there are garbage on the road which smells so bad and very harmful for lungs, and it causes very harmful diseases. So what will you say about this, Vaibhav?
Eat biscuit and crackers, anything he eat, and then he throw the plastic. But in the case of city, many people see their problem, and then he put that the plastics and many garbage thing, and then he made this renewable, just like a bucket, any plastic thing. So that's why the city is more knowledgeable than the village, and cities people have a more creativity idea. But in the case of village, he are always visiting any other thing, and he waste our time in this generation. So that's why the village people and village is good.
Cities people are go on the beach and eat the biscuits and snack, throw the packet, throw the land, not throw the dustbin. No.
I am not agree with you because it's a true that some people, some travelers go at a beach and he spread the wastage. But you also know in a city there the waste management system exists, and in a village there the no many waste management, because you also know in a city there the many garbage trucks come daily at the homes, and in a village there the no any changes in the many years. And I have point that in a city the infrastructure change into some months, and in a village the infrastructure did not change in the decades. So what do you think about that? I have question to you, to all of you.
That in cities, garbage trucks come and collect the all garbage. Then in villages also rake pickers come and collect all garbage from villages. And when we can see that in Varanasi some people throw garbage in on roads and in river and other such things. Then what will you say about this?
In a city there was many sweeper, we can clean the road, and many side where garbage dump, and he can dump in dustbin, dump in dustbin, and a sweeper who can clean a roadside. And in the village there was no any sweeper who can clean road and dump the garbage.
All the wastage of garbage where goes, the all wastage of dustbin goes in a dumping ground. That is also pollutes our land and air. The waste that is in dustbin also throw in a dumping ground, that's create a big mountain of pollution and create pollution in our air.
To you, but in not fully, because I agree with you that the garbage dump in the dumper ground, but after that the garbage dump in the some factories, and after that the separate the some garbage and recycle it, such many things, such you also know from the plastic the many people generate the diesel, petrol, such a petrochemical things, and from the plastic things the chairs and many plastic things make. And I have
compared to village, there is the village of very fresh water.